So back last year in 2020, I had the privilege of leading a panel of international experts in myeloma and minimal residual disease to design a set of consensus statements that really should guide the proper assessment of MRD in multiple myeloma trials and the proper reporting of MRD. We have several problems. There's variability between different MRD platforms. There are differences on how trials assess, for example, in all the participants versus participants that only achieve a certain depth of response assessed by paraprotein. And there's also a huge difference in how people report. Sometimes they reported in outpatients, sometimes only on the patients who made to a certain milestone on the trial. And as we learn more about MRD, and it's becoming this increasingly important tool to answer critical questions in myeloma and in the near future to guide therapy, it's important that we have good quality data, and that can only be obtained by harmonization on how those studies approach MRD, test for MRD, and report MRD. So this is out on a publication from the Leukemia Journal last year, and we really encourage all the authors, reviewers, and eventually editors to stick to those criteria so we can have good quality data that can be properly interpreted and guide our future directions.